Shit could get menacing, frightening, find help. Sometimes I scare myself. Shit could get menacing, frightening, find help. Sometimes I scare myself.
Guys running up the mileage, niggas hating, tell them be quiet. You can't surf like this, you can't surf like this. No matter how hard you try, you can't surf like this.
What is going on YouTube? It's Sage back with a brand new video. Today I am joined by my two co-hosts, Connor, come here Connor, and Mochi. Paul Mochi, good boy. So today Today I just wanted to announce the 3 winners for my See in Color t-shirt giveaway. 3 people were selected out of all the people that entered, but first and foremost I just want to go down the list of all the people that entered. There were actually 13 people, which is more than twice as much as I thought I was gonna have. So I just want to shout out Champion of the Amazons, DJ Tommy Boy, Eero Barker, Dioso, Christian, Andre, Christian the Barber, Icy Isaac, Brian02, Edmeister, X3X3 Cheryl, DK Sexy, Kanako Matt, and Giovanni IG808. Thank you guys all so much for following the steps to entering my giveaway. You guys all subscribed to the channel, followed me on Instagram at itsage, and also followed the Instagram for See in Color at See in Color. So thank you guys so much for that. I put in all these names on this website, and it created, if you can see that, and it created like this little wheel thing, and it chose 3 names. So I'll go ahead and show you the footage of that.
I've been trying to make you love me, but everything I try just takes you further from me.
So there you have it. So congratulations to Chanel, also known as Champion of the Amazons, to Dean Kavika, also known as DK Sexy, and Christian, also known as Christian the Barber. Thank you guys so much for joining the giveaway. All 3 winners have already been contacted, and we're still setting up meetups for them to get their free shirts, or I'll just ship it out, or whichever's easier. Stay tuned, guys. There's gonna be big things for the channel, big things for the brand See in Color. And you know, I just feel like we're starting the second half of 2018, and we're actually starting really strong. The homeboy Kanye West just came out with his new album, Yay, and I fucking love every single song, all 7 tracks. Let's see, I just got all my car shit done. I'm cleaning and renovating my house still. My dogs are healthy. I'm healthy. I was sick for like the last 2 weeks, and as soon as it hit June 1st, I just became unsick. So I just feel like that means the second half of this year will start to go better for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, leave a like. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Signing out. Mochi? Yeah. Connor? He don't know tricks like Mochi. And we're out. Actually.
George, pass me the pistol.
You kissing on the list, you was kissing on my cock. If you